Hello, welcome. I'm going to share some information on ladybugs. So what are ladybugs? Ladybugs are actually not the bug. They are beetles. So they are commonly known as lady beetles in Europe. There are among 5,000 species of ladybugs. Some of them feed on the plants while some of them eat the insects, destroying the plants. They are half-speared, tiny, spotted, while some are plain, while some have strips and have round or oval shaped domes, and they have short legs and antennas. The average lifespan of the ladybug is about 2 to 3 years. They have a size of 0.3 to 0.4 inches, that is the size of a paper clip. You can find them in forest, grasslands and even at your home. Most people like them because of their colorful appearance and the spottings on its body. But farmers love them because they protect the farmer's crop by eating plant-eating insects. I have my friend who will teach you the ladybug craft. Isn't that interesting? So here is Maria.
Hi!
What color ladybug have you done?
I have this red ladybug with black spots.
It's so nice, so beautiful to see. So what materials do you require to make a ladybug?
We need to use only red, black and white colored papers.
Oh, so that will be very exciting.
Yes, it's too much exciting. This time we will make a simple craft which is ladybug. We need red and black colored paper, pen, pencil, stick, glue and scissors. In making circle like this, we need a pattern. You can use any small circle object like bottle cap or any circle object. Okay, this is the body of the ladybug. Now we need a head of ladybug which is black also. We will make semicircle. Now we need the wings of the ladybug. We will use the red colored paper. We will use this as a pattern but make it more bigger. Okay, we need two. Let's make another one. Okay, this is for the wings. Now we need the antenna of the ladybug. Okay, and the eyes. Okay, now let's start. First, we need to stick this one, the semicircle, at the circle, the big circle, like this. Now, we will put the eyes. Okay. This one, we need to fold little, like this. And then, make it roll. Okay, another one also. Now we will stick at the back of the head of the beetle like this. Okay. Now we will do the wings. Okay, let's fold into two. Okay, this one also. And then we will stick like this. Like that. Okay. Okay. Using marker, we will put small dot here on the wings. Done! I have now ladybug. You can call a friend and make ladybug with your friends. And you play with your friends. See? Nice, it's flying. I will come back on my next video with an interesting another craft. Bye-bye!